1.
Hello.
Hello. Can I speak to Cindy, please?
Sorry, she's not in. Can I take a message?
Yes, this is Bob from school. Bob Jackson.
Can you spell your last name?
Jackson.
Okay. And what's your telephone number, Bob?
691-3839.
Okay. Do you want Cindy to call you?
Yes, please.
Fine. I'll give her the message.
2.
Hello. Tom Waite speaking.
Hello. Can I speak to Cindy, please?
Sorry, she's not here.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, of course.
Thanks. This is Nancy. My number is 391-8246. Please ask Cindy to call me.
Okay. I'll ask her to call you as soon as she gets back.
Thank you.
3.
Hello. This is Cindy's house, but Cindy's not home.
Oh, I see. Can I leave a message, please?
Yes, I'm ready.
Thanks. This is Brian calling. Brian Kennedy.
Is that BrianKennedy?
Yes. And my number is 271-8914.
271-8914. Okay. And will you call again later?
Yes, I will.
4.
Oh, no, not another one. Hello.
Hello, is Cindy there?
She's not here. Who's this?
This is her teacher, Miss Wilson.
Oh, Miss Wilson. Yes, of course. Do you want to leave your number?
It's okay. I'll call back.